Hi, this is James Page here at Eurosatory 2026 for Soldier Modernisation. We're over with the Gentex Corporation and we're talking to Rafe Bennett. Rafe, it's absolutely lovely to speak to you. Thank you for taking some time to talk to us today.
Our pleasure, James. Thanks for being here.
We've got a lot to talk about. There's a big range on show here on your stand at the show, but we've got a particular few that we're going to talk about. And the first one, which is on your left here, is one that I believe is going to be going into fielding very soon.
You're absolutely right. So what Gentex separates from the rest of our competition is we are the premier integrator, full headborne system integrator of these things. And we do it both for air products and for ground products. But as you said, I'll start with the Pursuit helmet. This helmet is about to be fielded with the US Navy later this year.
Right.
It is the first modular headborne system integrated aircrew, fixed wing aircrew helmet to come out on the market. So what's really unique about that is the center section of the helmet can be removed and then a custom HMD specific module is installed. And the benefits of that are you get better center of gravity, lower weight, and a smoother integration than you can by just kludging it onto the outside of the helmet, which has been the traditional way and the way our competition does it. So the US Navy will be fielding that later this year, lighter, more comfortable, better airflow, and that HMD integration is really going to be the standout feature of it. So the Pursuit helmet, again, it's in production, but it'll be fielded by the Navy later in 2026.
But that integration is key for what Gentex does, isn't it? To be able to fit everything together in one place, almost being a one-stop shop for this.
It is the real DNA of how we go to market, and we are a one-stop shop, perfectly said, because we're the only company that makes the eye protection, the head protection platforms, the communication and hearing protection systems, as well as respiratory protection. So with this helmet, the Navy's going to be fielding a new oxygen mask also early in 2027, and we make the current oxygen mask too. So there's no one else who can bring all the parts together under one roof, and the result is you get a better integrated system than with any other supplier.
Understood. Okay, we're moving along the line.
Absolutely. So that's the example on the air side, but on the ground side, we also make fully integrated systems. We're very proud to be providing close combat force, ballistic helmets, special operations ballistic helmets. And what you see here is an example of our railing system where we're adding an integrated power and data system to a ballistic ground combat helmet to allow the latest night vision devices to be attached. There's a dedicated connector port on the front of the rail, so you plug your night vision up there. You don't have to run a wire to the battery on the back. And it also feeds power to dedicated lights for navigation and for spot illumination, and then signal beacons that go on the back, these strobes. All those are provided by some top-tier partners who make those dedicated for our system, but they make them in a much smaller, more compact form factor because all the batteries are centralized at the back of the system.
Yeah, I can see that.
Our railing system, it's been fielded with some top-tier soft folks around the world, and it is the basis of our ground power and data integration.
So this is for dismounted?
Dismounted, primarily, but it can also be used in vehicles, and we've got concepts of applying it to all different ground applications. And you can also see this helmet shows our AMP headset, and we got an example of that headset by itself here. So we have the US SOCOM Circumaural headset, and also very popular, fielded with a lot of international militaries. Czech just bought a great integrated system this year, and so they'll be getting the AMP system. Those headsets are integrated into the helmet with our rail arm connectors that you see on the side, so that you don't have to run the headband under the helmet, which can be really uncomfortable for the user.
Fantastic. They're a marvelous piece of kit. I'm glad you managed to talk us through the wide range and understand a little bit more about the interoperability of it, which is having everything in one place is what the soldier needs now, right?
Yep. And then our array of helmets that we have on the wall shows that we have different ballistic solutions also for every customer.
Okay.
Some people will trade a lighter weight helmet for less protection, and some people will just want the maximum protection. We offer the whole range, and they all can be had in this kind of an integrated system format, depending on what the customer desires.
Perfect. Okay, great. Well, look, thank you for taking some time to talk to us about that, and hopefully people will come and talk to Gentex. It's been a busy stand, so we appreciate you taking some time to talk us through some of the latest and also some of the whole range. Yeah, really interesting to talk.
Thank you, James. We appreciate it.
Thank you, Ray.
Hope they come by and see us.
Yeah, cheers.